Bless up BXG Nation. Welcome again to the channel. Big up all viewers, all subscribers. Big up on yourself, people. So, this is the second part of the reasoning between Chucky and Striker, people. Yeah, man. And Striker make the people them know some real history what go on between him and Ricky Trooper. What go on a world clash. Oh, he get set up by Beenieman for Matterhorn, right him off, people. Yeah, man, I say Ricky Trooper bend down behind him console and the wall him blow. That a picture in her hand when time back to start take it to them. Yeah, man. So Striker also make the people them know the first time base of this right him off, people. Yeah, some real history Striker I touch, people. Me not tell no lie, the reasoning are nice, people. Yeah, man, you know what, Mr. Insight, people. So without further ado, people, make we check out what Striker and Chucky are reasonable.
I dance at a Darliston.
Yeah.
Can be a pieces still.
Yeah.
Seeing? Go sub up and reach at the dance, no dog. I drive on the truck that day they go on a dance there now.
On the sound truck.
Eh?
On the sound truck.
Yeah man, on the sound truck, man.
So you did it from early.
Fraggy go sub up. I fraggy in the plan for go on the dance now, because here I go on now. Lights in half of the sound go on the dance now, my dog.
Yeah.
One column and a half go on the dance now. We are tell lights, say, yo, a clash dance now, we are do. Man said, no man, me talk to Mr. Harp and him say, I no clash, man.
Okay.
Seeing? Don't a Darliston, but you see in the evening, someone string up on them thing there. Nobody in the dance, man. The thing sound good like you alright, you see me? You see, at night when the dance ram up, I tell you the dance a cock, you know. Inside full and outer road full, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, you say outer road, one more dance could have keep outer road. To all the place black up, my dog.
Yeah.
So one trooper turn on to jar out of blood clot, dog. I'm not tell you, the man drop the bass, man. The whole dance lift up to blood clot. I said the man them call you in back, dog. Kind of like a joke thing to blood clot, bro. His son couldn't walk through the crowd, brother. And trooper take the advantage, you know, man.
Yeah.
Trooper string up in the building, you know.
Yeah.
Alright. The land. See the land? 4 corner. See?
Yeah.
So behind me now, it's an indoor place, but trooper could have sit through one part where they just, you see me? Like a big.
So, you can't see everything.
Yeah, so you must see everything, but we string up out in the land. Our console in the out in the land, you see me with the box them.
Yeah.
See? I mean, I tell you, say, when the man them blood clots start in a virgin, and the crowd starts saying, lock off.
Ooh.
I say, yo, pussy, I wanna talk about. Lock off your bumbo clot.
Ouch.
I mean, I tell you, say, yo, I know troopers to lock off, you know.
Aye, people them.
And the people them must lock off, you know, my dog. But so, Bapa, we did the time, my brother did it, you know, dog.
Yeah.
I say, hey, pussy, I want to, you know, I feel like I'm bad with you. My brother bad people, you know.
Seeing?
Yeah,
Trooper did I say?
Bad man,
Yeah, remember. Reach on one part.
I never know joke talk, bad man. I don't know that one. I say, yo, you know, lock off, man. And Froggy gonna make a speech about Shabba.
Yeah.
You see me? I remember Trooper go out in a car for your blood clot, that machine I can line in and dog. I might tell you the man clot the blood clot Shabba and I dance in the park.
Chano.
Some boy walk come down over turntable with some tree limb dog. And start shaking over the turntable so. Say pussy lock off.
Yo.
Bad man.
Yeah.
Some bucker fling.
Ross.
Some bucker. Bad man, they say some bucker fling.
Yeah.
So me and Froggy go some back now and with they round the console. So the bucker them a go over with it and a mash up on the wall behind me, you know.
Yeah.
See? So when I time I say the buckle them ease up. The buckle them ease up now, dog, and run going at the building with Trooper there. Bad man, me not tell a lie. I swear to God, my youth. Trooper go like you remember. Yeah, so we're going at the building.
Yeah.
We're going at the building, you know. Trooper bend down, so you know, behind film console in you know, cause I hold my buckler finger, I throw the little part of the Trooper the buckler going on, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah. When we're going, you know, Trooper have a picture in our hand. See that? I see for me youth them life, brother. Trooper have a picture in our hand and data. I look on the data picture, son.
Yeah.
So hear him now. Yeah. Hear him now. Hear him on the mic. People, look. We have pieces, my friend. Look. Yo, woof. People say, bumbo class. Yeah, man. Bad man, we go through it, man. But yeah, Trooper them win the dance still.
See it.
Trooper them the win a dance, a wicked man. Yo, Trooper did win a dance, dog. You see me?
People who just are checking, Striker touch on part of story now. When I had
man.
Trooper on the show a few weeks ago, Trooper did touch that story there. That machine, every part of it, same way, so. Striker bad people, brother, everything, but Trooper never say him did that. I duck under the table and I hold up picture.
Bad man, man, duck under I want to man. Trooper, if Trooper listen man type in, I say a true, brother, because you know say a true.
Yeah.
You see me?
You see, sir, we have to hear both sides of the story.
You see me, dog?
See it.
Yeah, man. Alright, now I'll give you next history, car. Bad man is a struggling in the music, you know. And
yeah, man, people know overs.
A whole beat you get for learn and learn from, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Alright. I remember one night, you know. Froggy them a fly go foreign, you know, because Froggy started fly 1 year before me, you know.
See.
We have a dance with bass at this way. See? And Lyle look at me and say, yo, Striker. But I clash him on them, you know. Cause you know,
Yeah.
Froggy and Core them not gonna be here. Just go, we know you can juggle and deal with the thing. But don't clash them on them because them full team going to be there, sir.
Yeah.
And I said, no, lad, man, I want to see, man, we don't clash. We don't clash, man. You see me? Bust a butt now and we did a dog. You see, as Lad and gone at airport and cut.
Yeah.
Hear me to ENQUIRER right now. And tonight, me boss. Yo, hey, that I like by some blood clot Beenieman left give in a bad man.
Oh, you never carry them to go foreign with him?
Then a double cut, man.
Okay.
See? So we have the same dub box them.
See.
Alright, we go to back now and lie them cut out and go at the dance dog and parrot. Pieces are chopping out, you know, machine are kicking up. First rounds, man, 40. You know, we warm up the dance with 45.
Yeah.
See? Warm up the dance with 45 and tear up dance, you know, brother. Tear up the dance, you know, basically to come in and tear the dance, you know, brother.
See.
That time skinny did there, you know.
Okay.
See? And we look at the squingy walk in and we say, hey. Then I say, yo, tonight we busting a Lenky. Because it's the 45 rounds that we play. Yo, I don't know if I hype people, them hype you up there, but I tell you, say, people, them give you some blood clot forward them and shit.
See?
And we have the new Beenieman them, and remember we have finished off the rounds the dog. We clap 2 Beenieman them, clear off the dance, you know. See?
Yeah.
Second round, basically, so they come in and go on good see over here with 45 them and rare one. Second round, we forward in, you know. And go hard with the plate and plop up the dance now. The plate in the bridge. I'm start style all scringy and style skinny, you know.
Yeah.
I feel hype now, you know, man.
Yeah.
Bad man. You see, basically, she come back in. Look like the man in the turn off 2 of the box them. Two column. Cause so when they come back in and turn on.
Super power.
And you saw the sun, you know.
Yeah.
Yo!
What the turn our next part?
When Scringy say, people, you don't know them? The big selector, them gone foreign. Why the boxman they feel like them bad all the while? For a night you call blood clot Scringy name boy. I want to, you say the man's gonna drop a red rock. Me say if you stop, troop up my name like Wrigley's. Pan the 4 season lover.
Trouble.
Bumbo clock, bad man with the sizzle off type, brother.
Bad man, don't apologize. I don't want that.
No man. Them a bomb sinner before that man. Sinner. Them a wonder, then they have them a wonder from them time there.
Okay, yeah.
Bad man. You know what's a cascade, brother?
Yo.
Yeah. Yo, that beat there one of the first. That beat there one of the first beat me get. You know one dance me have to say, Bumbo Cloud dog.
So you say you still bust too?
Yeah, we not bust. What kind of forward? Me remember the night that me play almost a whole of pieces don't play them.
Yeah.
Yo. I lied call the next day, man. I said, Striker, what did you tell you, sir? I said, yo, lad, I want to you, man. Yeah, you know, so I feel like fire here, my youth. Got him say, I said, yo, I want them thing, man. I want to you like, man. Man say, yo, I tarnish my sound name, you know, start. Yo, look at him. But lad know say, yo, I did lie, you see me, I love the thing and I love the sound thing, you see me, dog.
Yeah, man, and you go look it.
I go look it, dog. It happen.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah, man, but I dance the dog.
That was Bass Odyssey and Pieces.
Base of this pieces.
Which one are they keep?
But with Mad Squad now, you know. Mad Squad Cinemax, you know. Mad Squad Cinemax base of this up a sentence, you know, a Yamos, you know.
Okay.
That a 2003.
Seen. That are before World Clash?
The start there before World Clash.
Okay.
I pronounce up there someone.
So that was BSRDC, Mad Squad and who?
Cinemax.
Cinemax, okay.
With Jakes, them and Screen J.
Okay.
We rent a sound from Mobile named Sting International Cargo them on dog.
See it.
I mean I tell you so them time that yo, remember so we are going to World Clash the Monday, you know.
Yeah.
We're fresh, you know, brother.
Load up.
I no joke, bad man, we have some cartel. We have some cartel in the box, bad man. So we touch love on the bad. Yo. Worm them can tell and do in them, man. Them you they can tell them, man.
See it.
Damien and then you they can tell them, dog.
See it.
When we go love put on the man. And the man here, the cartel them. That the man look so. But we know the cartel have sent we go road for World Clash.
Yeah.
You see me? So I know say yo, there is no way them go get to go vice them. Go vice them song there, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah man, bad man, we clap up the dance, man. Clap up the
You
dance.
say you get a new thing and just test it out.
A new thing. I hold a new thing, man.
You know what me attack? Like when you get a new, it get test out.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah man,
Yeah.
clap it up, man. And I want to tell you something now. Even them boss, I say, yo, I will sound this. Yo, even this day, the man asked me, why to that sound I want to do the rent? I rent to the rent that sound, you see me? If you go up there that night there. A World Clash bad man. World Clash I did the same treatment, you know me dog. Because base of this drop out before we are World Clash, you know.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
Man,
right?
Mad Squad performance at World Clash was bad.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, true, man.
But era go on now. Era go on with our work. Era go on now. Because Matterhorn didn't make a speech say, yo, he might go see a Mad Squad for last or whatever. You know, film star, you love talk to make himself look good, you know?
Yeah, like I hear say how the dance go.
Yeah, so like him I say, yo, he might go see a Mad Squad for last, cause a Mad Squad and Matterhorn have the most new song.
Yeah, cause Matterhorn sounded fairly new them time there too.
Yeah. Same
Yeah,
song.
man, true.
When we have Vice, you know, them time when we have Vice, we go World Clash. We are seeing him, you know. A studio. We have always a book up a studio, man. More time we do a studio, we go Vice our killer, you know. When we look at Matterhorn, you know, killer, we say, yo, Matterhorn, how we do ya, man? I want to hear Matterhorn, man. I want to hear. Aspire the man, them thing.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
I saw the thing it set down.
See.
You see me? And me I tell her dog. I rush blood clot Matterhorn with Beenieman dog. And the one Matterhorn the one Beenieman set you up, you see me?
Okay.
Yeah, we write out the song, you know. Word for word, give Beenieman, you know, dog.
And him give somebody else?
The Matterhorn drive coming a Beenieman yard tonight. And Beenieman say, yo, we not vice for him, you know. Bounty killer him say, you know. Mad Squad we are run with. But he only said that, he said that for set you up, dog. So when we gone now, like we get the song them and we left. Saying, custom and anything for Matterhorn, you know, based on this, either bust off in a song and anything there, you know, and Virgin, Fraggy look at me and I tell me, say, yo, a singer Jerry should have vice. tying up the men's. I say, yo, I been a man we have vice, dog.
Yeah.
You see me, I better leverage that, you see me?
Yeah.
But dog, I not tell you that I better advise the signature.
Beenieman end up set you up.
Set we up. Cause we go play the Beenieman and say, yo. You know, if BS said, this is flap, you not tell him to go home, you not tell him to go home, you not tell him Matterhorn dead, you not tell him to go home. Bad man said Matterhorn forward in, brother. From the hints, you know.
Yeah.
Beenieman I say. Oh, hold on. So maddsquad. Over here, so no live. We don't live on the boat them. Yo, maddsquad, that no make no sense. I must see you one peer one, you tell a man figure home. When you figure home, you want to slap with a stone from your left. Pieces of be a man you a bowl. Must see the pan. Bumbo clot, brother.
Yo.
Hey.
That guy.
You see, I remember the words to the song that I one time hear the song they play in my dog and I the dance.
Yeah.
I remember the word, cause our song, I Joe from New York write it out, you know. The general that.
See it.
So when me hear the song, me I say, what a wicked bumbuckler these here, bad man.
Jado.
Trouble dog, me I tell the power, yo, Mr. Dog, when Mr. P1, get up in a man.
Yeah, cause you know them love them thing there, you know.
You see, I didn't touch them, yeah, bad man, I first never see touch big sort of blood clot. The man, he turn on the touch now when I cook and I treat them, man.
Yo, Pier one of the only place where me see one song can play for you whole night.
Me pussy bad man, me say yo, forward like a ras, me G.
Every song can come on and play the counteraction for that one day, and
Yeah,
get
man.
forward. Pier one them love it.
That song there, you know. To me, still, cause we have Matterhorn of the momentum in a world clash. Not even Mighty Crown.
Yeah.
Mighty Crown, they play some elephant man will go on good, but the dance, the reason we have we are Matterhorn bad man. The caliber sang them where he must shoot off and we are shoot off him cartel. He must shot the cartel and we have slap cartel. We have some cartel at this all Matterhorn and Mighty Crown dog.
Seen.
You see me? So that's a bumbo cloud fire, but we have a second Beenieman.
Yeah. And next custom.
It's a custom, because I sang the right over there, but you never call nobody name in it still.
Okay.
And yo, to all the whole thing play out, bad man. With a Beenieman song the dog, may I tell you sir. Yeah, water come on me here, dog.
Yeah, man, we know them one.
Like, you know why? The son was a young son, because 1.5 years we take a world clash now.
Yeah, man.
You see me? And we reach so far in our world clash tonight. Based on this drop up before we rubber tone. Alright, that dancer was Kilimanjaro.
Yeah.
Then rubber tone.
Yeah.
Based on this, Mighty Crown, Tony Matterhorn. And
Yeah.
Mattsquad are the only song we never go a world clash and never have a world clash trophy. So
True.
we are play against the whole of the song and win a trophy for world clash already.
Yeah, you went in as a wild card.
Exactly. So right, that's on our bad man. Yo, we lose the dance, but we gain from the dance there.
Yes, man.
Cause the world know after world clash bad man, the world know him. 4 times I go Bermuda after world clash man. A world clash man could go Bermuda and my dog.
See it there?
Big up Joe see you know, cause Joe is the manager, you know, and he put you in the work and make sure say yo. We did good, you know, you see me?
That was Drew from dancehallreggae.com.
Joe, no, not that Joe. See talk me I tell about.
Yeah. Dance
And
reggae.
he used to, yeah, that's a reggae that come. The scrappy, yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Saying, and first time we got Bermuda, bad man. First time we got Bermuda was maddsquad and Vibes Cartel, you know.
Jano, bad.
And the first time Cartel are traveling, you know, me dog.
Seeing.
Then time the
Big up
Cartel
Al
never have
Pacino on the check-in. Sorry.
Cartel never have no US visa, you know.
Yeah.
Saying so, when we go up and a connect from here, so him not having passport in our hand, dog. You see me?
Yeah.
So we could have go through the airport and walk and go buy anything. So, you know, at that time, we have to get all Cartel things them. If you want nothing, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And Cartel go blood clip Bermuda bad man. maddsquad Vibes Cartel. Power football field that keep, you know. We can't forget that, you know, man.
Jano.
Big up tourists here, you know, the promoter, you know. Bad man, but a ball field ram. Block off.
Sound like the whole Bermuda there that dance there.
Whole Bermuda. Roll out. At the first place me go, I look like no poverty no there, you know.
Yeah.
Me never see no like a paper on the ground of Bermuda. Me no remember see that, brother.
Seeing clean.
Clean. The whole of the youth them look like a rich people picture them.
Yeah.
You see me? And second time I go to Bermuda was maddsquad, Sound Trooper, and Kilimanjaro.
That a juggling dance?
Was a juggling dance, yeah man.
Seeing.
And then now, third time now, Fraggy never come. He never forward a dance there. See?
Yeah.
Was me, Janai, and Bogle.
Bad.
And the last time that Bogle traveling on me dance.
Okay, that was to Bermuda.
When him go back, I had him dead.
Okay.
Was Bogle, Boise, and Janai.
So that means you go
Bad
Bermuda.
Man, me did that when the world flare up. Me did that when the world flare up and go on with Bogle and Janai dog.
Okay.
Yeah, that's low that still, you see me?
Yeah.
We left from there, so when we left from Bermuda, we go New York. Same Bogle and Janai.
See.
maddsquad. Then when we left there, so now we go Atlanta. The dancer was maddsquad dance. Same Joe.
See.
You see me? Bogle, Janai, and them thing. And the man give me a bike, a red black biker jacket, man. And I say, yo, me DJ, hold this.
Bad.
Yeah, man, and the man left and go a yard, bad man, and me used to the man mash up.
John Star. Rest in peace,
see me?
Bogo. Baddest
man.
entertainer.
The fourth time I go Bermuda now. You see me, the fourth time I go Bermuda was maddsquad, Bounty Killer, Beenieman, 2 days show. History that.
Hold on, maddsquad, Bounty Killer, and Beenieman.
And Beenieman.
Bad. Good booking that, brother.
How we talk, some man? See? But man, something when I see some man a run down, dog, and I say, yo, Ray, this and Ray, that and Ray, dog. I just throw me no hype, dog, and can we been there, dog, and do some things, them things that can never remove a history that we don't do the work. Overtime with the pan now, me dog.
Yeah, man, that's true. Cause you put in the works, you make your name in the business, and like me explain to the people them. When you make the move from being a selector, playing on somebody's sound, to being a sound owner, you get a different understanding of the business, because now you understand, say, yo, the dub money I come out of my pocket directly now, you know. Seeing? So all when you have links with artists, your money still outspent. Cause guess what? Studio time have to spend, seeing, and you have to press your plate them, which maddsquad start with pressing them plate. seeing until them reach a CD, you have to buy CD for put them on. When it reach a MP3, you have to buy laptop for keep your music them organized and all of them thing there. So big up to every sound owners and selectors seeing throughout the world. We do this thing and keep it moving and keep it forward. Big up Strike Up on the live. What you say, brother?
Here I go on now, seeing?
Yeah.
We know say the time I change, you know, cause you can't bash nothing what go on, you know, my dog.
True.
See, when you see the youth them on the live and them a do them thing, dog, me can't say, yo, don't do that, cause I just the time, dog. I what they go on now.
Oh, go on, yeah, man, true.
Me remember when time, the actual vial and the dub plate thing I cut out.
Yeah.
They go to CD. Me I say, yo, bad man, yo, me not change over.
Yeah, enough of we say that, true.
You see me? And when me look dog, we have to change over that blood plate.
Yes, man, as you get lost.
I start get to like it more than the actual record them time because me I say, yo, me I go through airport. Would have to go clear all me dub them.
Yeah, because you can't carry the dub, but people don't know so the dub box could not go as a hand luggage. It's too heavy.
Too heavy.
So the dub box have to check in
and
go under the plane.
You have to pay for extra luggage and them thing there.
And you have to wait feet. When it come off by plane, you have to wait for it coming from the roundabout.
You say the joy into them time there with the dub plate and the 45 them.
Yeah.
Yo, when we reach a dance, you know, we travel down, we reach a dance and the promoter pull up all the dance, you know, dog, and we take out the dub box and put them on the ground, you know. You see that momentum, the dog, that feeling, the dog, like the people them in the line, all that look and I say, boom, buckler, you're the man, them reach.
Yes, man.
You see me? Me see all youth all grab up all the dub box them because they don't want to pay going. You understand?
Yeah. We know that way there.
Yeah, man, so I just start missing. Wait. You understand? But the laptop thing now, I just the norm, brother. That's how the thing reach, brother.
Yes, man. We have to work with the times, like you said, cause that's how it reach.
Yeah, man, cause look, you know, one time when me the forward, you know, so you have sound string up because you have Venom them in New York and you have whole big sound in New York. New York was string up and them things. See, in Florida you have Poison that was string up them big column them.
Yeah,
you understand? Man. But bad man, right now, me have a system which part me there Connecticut. Yes, sir, dog. And when me turn on bad man, a problem.
See.
You see me? In the club me there right now. I just half fight me having a son.
Okay, so you're not using a powered system. You're using a amplified.
No, man, a powered system, man.
Okay, powered
Never
system.
QSC powered system, man.
Okay, bad.
Murder, bad man. I whistle this when this out chop through the years, man. A murder, man.
So you're using 21s to play bass or 18?
18's me yours, man.
Okay, QSC powered system. That bad,
yeah.
Man.
Treat the 36 bass them 100.
Okay, that's
yeah, man.
So you're playing what, 2 column?
Yeah.
Scene. Bad.
Yeah, man.
So there you heard it, people. Mad Squad have their own sound system. Scene, and that was, I guess, based off of Trooper saying, no, play upon me sound tonight. So Striker take the initiative, scene, and stack up a paper them. And throughout the years, like I said, he made the transition from playing a sound as a selector to a sound owner, and he owns his own sound system today. Big up yourself, Striker.
Yeah, Ruben, big up yourself. Ruben, same care Mad Squad dub box, yo. Them you don't care no dub box, man. You are my general, my brother them there. Them man did it from day one when Mad Squad a build dog. You see the Washington DC, big up Ruben, Red Lion, and big up my general, Father Tech, Junior. Them you the Senway Road. You see me? And them man that's a Mad Squad, go on a road.
I would have check in. Mad Dog. Big up yourself, Mad Dog.
Touchy.
More be an artist.
Big up Touchy. Black
King
President.
Touchy, go and big up yourself. Black President son, right?
Black President son, man. You see that son there? Let me tell you something, people.
Big up, big up.
You see that son there when you're Black President? You know the whole COVID thing, dog. The man them take the little thing and make us name out of it. And that me I talk about. That's why I can't, but me not go bash the social media. Me not go bash the youth them go live and clash. Because the youth them make a name. From last year to now, you make a name, dog. Where I'm proud of him, dog.
Yeah, man, definitely. Because it's not easy. Like, you just tell the story, them. It's not easy, brother.
You see me I deal with, so I hold it more story, me dog, because you don't know the thing, man.
See?
You see me hold for topic, but I don't even want to talk about certain topic, because 2021, dog, I don't even want no man the forward to answer this and say that, dog. I just love certain thing alone, you see me?
Yeah, man, certain things can be left unsaid.
Yeah, man, I don't want the bad energy, I just love it, dog. You see me, dog?
Yeah, man. So, Striker,
Yeah, man.
sorry for leaving the screen. I just want to check something. As I usually do the show with the selfie view, but I figured out that it's changing the whole look. So what I'm do is flip it round. So I'm just going to check something on the battery, on the phone. So, Striker, I did want to ask you a thing. See? So,
Yeah.
out of all of the dub plate them, like you tell me plenty stories, but do you have a favorite dub plate in your box?
Yo, my favorite dub plate, brother.
Yeah.
I have all my favorite dub plate,
Yeah, I understand that still.
but my favorite dub plate in my box, brethren. Saying, and that's the sluggy, you know.
Okay.
I played. Who I go worry about? Mad Squad son I done bust, brother.
So that is in the first dub session. I remember the story.
Yeah, man, first dub. The first dub plate that we get, man. You see that dub, yeah?
Cause you said you got Ed Robinson, you got Pat Anthony, Sluggy Ranks.
Yeah, man, Ed Robinson vice this month.
See,
You see that dub, yeah, my dog?
you hear the Neagle go on a while ago, people?
Blessed love, sit ya. All Montagonian people watching us slug ranking check for just like that. All Mobile people, sit ya. Now he's the Mad Squad, sit ya. Striker on the crew, sit there. Froggy watching us run that. El Robinson, big singer on the place responsible, sit there. Yeah, a Mad Squad, sluggy ranking. Hey, Lord knows, Mad Squad I go kill them.
John, rest in peace,
Lord
Sluggy.
knows,
Voila.
the sound must try. I have kill them with positive vibes. Mad Squad sound must try. I have it's nothing but cultural style. Just tell me, ooh, I go hold it back, hold it back. Mad Squad sound you done bust. Just tell me, ooh, I go hold it back, hold it back. Mad Squad sound you done bust. Hold it back, sound boy, you talk about them boss. Boss.
Mad Squad, yo!
Badness. Sluggy Ranks, rest in peace,
yo.
Sluggy. Bad artist.
Bad man, that dub there. Alright. Me have a couple more. Yo, me have a couple more. Yo, me have a song in a dog. Where a Da Vinci, you know.
Yeah.
Dub plate, you know. Kind of me there, Orlando, Florida, you know, bad man. I mean, I go through a bag of thing.
Yeah.
See? I mean, I tell us a dog, so I play that song, dog. I play the song, dog. I cry the living in your water, you know, dog.
See.
Yeah, man. Cry the living in your water, dog. I mean, I say, yo, Jano. You see me, I play it, make a year star. It's a simple song, but it mean enough. It mean enough to me, you see me?
Yeah, man. Know them one day.
Yeah, man, so watch out. Hold on, sorry.
Yeah.
Hey, striker, Orlando, we out clear. Watch your friends and you smoke with and run joke with. Them think we got a talk. Quick, the only friend strike all over, the one up above. Closer to it than a road. Mad squad, watch your friends and you smoke with. Run joke with. Them think we got a talk. Quick, the only friend where we over. Their ass flat slope. Shut a crush them head like a bug. Even they don't know what Vinci represent for striker. And I'm a rascal thing, you know me say. Even Orlando, mobby. Sometimes you will see me smile. They don't know what it's inside. Lots of pain shock eye, but I'm still holding pride. Yeah, me no mad squad. Sometimes you may think that it's easy. The way we are living, don't please. Where a lot of kids want for me like Mad Squad and Da Vinci in my life. I feel the pain.
Mad Squad. Yeah, boy.
Sure, no. Yeah, man. Me feel that too. That tune there.
Problem, dog.
This is
Hey.
Da Vinci though. Yeah.
Yo, you're in a first night, dog. Let me drop a
Yeah.
song. Let me drop a song, dog. Me no know. Me no play that song. If me say that a dance, so me know so yo. I play a song and it not gonna work. Me not play it, you know.
Yeah.
That song, anytime I shoot a song, a bad man, a problem.
Yes, man.
Can me play a
Da
song
Vinci's
from
one of
heart,
them
dog.
singer that is a wailer, you know. So him wail, you feel it when him sing. It come from a different place.
Yeah, man, a song I mean enough to me, dog. When I hear the song, I say, Bumbo Class. Yeah, this me I go through, you know, dog.
Yeah,
And me
moreover.
pay feet, you know, dog. And the
Yes,
song
man.
forward in the park. Me structure the thing, you know, cause me I say, yo, the front part, just give me a cappella.
Yeah.
Saying, and more time, even the second part with the rhythm come in. Saying, more time in my life, sometimes I not even play that part there. The a cappella, anywhere me drop that a problem.
See.
Cause like it's a singing that the people them ears. I know it's a big song already.
Yes, man.
I play them song with passion, brother.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, and you know the Mad Squad rhythm.
Yeah.
Mad Squad are the only song, you know. I'm gonna finish off with this, you know.
Yeah.
Me hear some man talk about I feed them rhythm this and I feed them rhythm that.
Yeah.
Saying, but them play some song for some rhythm where any song can play the rhythm.
Yeah.
Even though at them first maybe bust it, the rhythm, like Vice, dubplate, pan it and Ray, but a rhythm where anybody can get.
True.
Saying, Mad Squad are the only sound bad man. Correct me if I'm wrong, you know.
Yeah.
Saying, Jaro real rock.
Yeah.
But me have the pan at the rhythm too.
True.
Saying, Mad Squad have a rhythm where no sound, no have. No sound. Mad Squad alone with anthem rhythm. Anthem.
Yeah.
Saying,
So
the
that
song
means
that
that
vice,
you just vice the artists them.
Huh?
Yeah. Man, I say you
The
just
song that
you
vice
do
for the
all of
rhythm.
the vicing yourself personally for that rhythm there, cause in order for me not make it get out to other people.
We have to vice it, man. We have to vice the
See.
song that rhythm there. Yo,
Yeah, man.
me even put some youth on the song like, and them always I say, yo, we could load up the rhythm some more. Dog. Send the rhythm come and me look. I say, yeah, not if my mama can't get the rhythm there now.
Yeah, yeah.
The rhythm there now go nowhere.
Yeah.
Saying,
Yeah.
and bad man, this. So that blood cleat song of my dog. I play the rhythm. I play that song. Yeah. Mad Squad are the first sound play that song up and dubplate. First.
See.
That's some man go on like when a bust no song. Rare Clash, this a song your first play. in the
See.
world, and of a mad squad rhythm. See? Listen
Yeah.
this. Listen this.
Mad squad. When they're frightened, they're enlightened. You see me I say? What if I don't say you're a striker? Mad squad. Frag it. Mad squad. See me I say the warm up here. Squad. Squad. Sure. Big gun, big gun. You see it? Alright. Sure. Big gun, man, rise, boy, to make the nice. You this the mad squad, they get the shot between your eyes. Your life depend the line, the faster just to realize. A gunshot to the brain. Sure. Send threat, you know, I instant it. We use the black blunt to send through your poop and dick. I use the dubplate to chop select and I am chase. Gunshot to the brain. Mad squad, some on the sound killer, sound stopper. We kill sound, them can't cast this about them on the sound. Enlighten. You see me I say? What if I don't say you're a striker? Mad squad. Frag it. Mad squad. See me I say the word I'm up here. Mad squad. I want to. Mad squad. Straight shooting. Sure. Big gun, big gun. You see it? Alright. Sure. Big gun, man, rise, boy, to make the nice. You this the mad squad, they get the shot between your eyes. Your life depend the line, the faster just to realize. A gunshot.
It's all about the family. Sanchez again. Oh, Mad squad sound a murderous song. Yeah. Mad squad a murder song. There are lots of sounds in life, some that you may not like. You could be living this minute, the next minute you're gone away. Hold up your...
Seen this before. I never seen this. Never seen this before. All the mobile crew. They doing. Never see so many people beat them big fancy coming in. I shoot them as them mad squad them.
Sunday kids in striker. Froggy and all of the muscle. Surely, gear man at 20 in the world. Cool and like what we could see. In the surely one little one little in the name. In the name.
Whoa. Now this is Anthony Red Rose. Now easy Froggy. Striker. How we run the place. Listen this.
Trouble.
Y'all say me never did I warn you. Now the mad squad kill you. Bow the big jacket way.
Drag. One to them, mad squad. The Almighty. Don't take it lightly. Striker, Fraggy, Phantom. Politely. Before them see God, them see the devil.
Yeah. I mean, Striker, give thanks for that juggling the lively of the show. Story of the dub plate.
Problem, man. I say my general.
Tell it. Yeah, man.
So you don't know the thing of that rhythm, the dog. Anyway, we drop that rhythm there. People there. Hey, me play one dance already, you know.
Yeah.
I know some go sub up and me look on Ricky Fire me and say, yo. Them boy afraid of the rhythm, you know. We are playing from first round.
Yeah.
And we drop the rhythm first rounds and clock up the dance, man. Me the son come in and say, me bumbo clock. The man them play the rhythm there already.
Oh, what that?
Let me know win the dance, man. Blood clot, mad squad. Me afraid of the rhythm there now to play already. A serious rhythm, general, man.
Yes, man. Problem.
Rhythm a serious, man. Let me drop that, man. Problem, man.
First time I play with Mad Squad sound, you know. Me I play a song named Starcade. See, and the dance keeper Chicago, Phantom.
Oh, Phantom.
Yeah. And yeah man, that rhythm there, problem. I never clash still, you know, Jiggy Party.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
about 2007, 8, them time there. But you don't know how the powers of the rhythm, you know? So
Sweet.
it do
Yeah,
it
man.
work, man. It do it work. Jano, do it work. Me see
Problem,
for
man.
myself.
Problem, man. Yeah, we go through something. We go through something in the music, dog. Where, you know.
Some
Me
unmentionable
no
things.
feel like say, me and Shalala get a fight in the music right now. To the most of thing when me go through in the music.
Well, that is true. That is true.
You see me?
So you said the struggle continue up until now.
Bad man, I will talk some man. But guess what go on now with me now?
Mm.
Me used to them thing there.
Yeah.
So here I go on now. Me just know if you deal with the thing and I know say yo, you no can't face me because here I go on now. Me know my craft, you know, bad man. Right now, I don't know hype thing or no show off thing or bad man. To how long me they play music. Till now me I go and do it, my dog. Come like a lock me and play music, you know.
That me not got to say, you know, cause you're supposed to second nature with this now. No matter what you play, like you just know your thing.
Me know me kick. Alright, man tell you see my laptop?
Yeah.
I only when time I put new song in it, you know. Me not play a song on my yard, you know, my dog.
See.
Me yard, me like relax. Me turn on my laptop by 5 minutes, 7 minutes. Me get bored in it, dog. Me just put it on back down. Me can't, I don't mid up.
Yeah. Me have that vibes there too, so me over it.
Same, so what you go on now? Cause some man feel like say yo when we come and dance, we all build create and we build this and build juggling for coming a party, bad man. Me can't do it. You're mad, me can't do it.
Vibes.
You said me reach in that dance. I looking at crowd, you know. I'm a watch, you know.
Natural selector.
I know which part to go.
Yeah man, you have to read your crowd.
You read the crowd, brother. You see me? Yeah man, I know the thing go down.
Do you feel the